All right, this is going to be a different type of a video. Today we're gonna repair this 70-200 2.8 RF lens by Canon. It's a very expensive lens. If you follow my channel or my newsletter, you know that when I do a major photo shoot, I like to inspect all of my gear. And in doing that, I realized that this lens, the weather seal is cracked. I'll show you here real quick. It has a couple of cracks, weather cracks. I meant to send it to Canon because supposedly they do that stuff for free. I uploaded a couple of pictures. I said, this is what I want. And I got a quote back for like $1,600. Technically, they do it for free. I just have to ship it and do all this stuff, insure the lens. It cost me about $50 to ship it. But if they come back with a $1,600 bill, then I'd rather try to do it myself. I mean, other people can do it. How hard can it be? First, I thought I would take the weather seal from this lens. This is the one I broke, my 24-70 2.8. Now, in inspecting this one, it's also broken. So I did find a couple of weather things for different lenses, but there's the EF or the RF mount, which is this mount. So one of them said it was specific for this lens and it was like $20. The other one was generic and it was $13. They both looked exactly the same. So let me set things up and see if we can fix this instead of making it worse. Now, obviously, I am fixing the broken lens first because that'll give me an idea of how to take this out and replace that rubber gasket. So by removing those screws. Okay, so that comes out. And this is literally just held with those wires there. And then the new one, this has to go on the outside of the wires. All right, so I just pulled this out without intending to, which is something I don't want to do with the main lens. But now that we know how this works, let's try and repair this one. Okay, so there's 4 screws and they are very long, so we're gonna do our best here to be careful and take them all the way out. This is the new rubber gasket, and we want to make sure that it goes in the same way that this one is in there. So they look exactly the same. So very gently, just slides into place. It is very tight, so you have to be really careful to have it in the right spot. And that looks even to me. Let me see if I can focus up here before I put the screws on there. It looks very even. And that is exactly what I wanted. Okay, perfect. It works. So now there it is, the 70-200. It's working right now. And yes, it wasn't as difficult as a fix as I expected. But I don't understand why this little rubber thing that I bought has dust and other stuff on it. It's brand new, supposedly, but yet it still looks a little dirty. Maybe that doesn't matter, I don't know. Everybody says it's super easy, send it to Canon and they will fix it, but that $1,600 bill estimate, that was a little much. Now this is the part that was broken. You can see, well, you can't see, you're too far away, but it's got a couple of dings here and there, and that's just enough to let dust and rain or moisture inside the sensor and damage that. The part was, like I said, less than $20. And it took me just a few minutes to install it. You do have to be very careful. I probably wouldn't recommend you doing this at home if you don't have experience or a broken lens you can practice with. But if you do, yeah, give it a shot. Why not? You can save yourself a lot of money and time, because it would take Canon over a week by the time I send it, receive it, and everything else. But anyway, it works. I'm happy with how it turned out. If you're interested in more photography content, consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.